Hello guys, welcome back once again. Now we are going to continue with the tutorials. Right now what we are going to do is we are going to look at the themes. Okay, so we are going to look at the resources that we are going to use for this tutorial, the things that we need in order to create this beautiful and amazing website. Okay, good. So okay, so first of all, let me open a new tab here. The first thing that we are going to use, okay, for this beautiful social media website is body balls. Okay, we call it body balls. So that is body balls. Okay, so let me enter that. So this is the official website. Let me go here. I'm going to show you their pricing and everything. We have a free one. Just with a free one, there is a lot of limitation. Okay, you'll be able to get access to a lot of features here, and even this theme that we are using, like having the sidebar here and all sorts of things, is not part of the free one. Okay, this is a paid one, and I'm going to show you. I just want to show you here. Okay, so this is the body balls platform. Okay, it's so amazing. Okay, so this is the official website. Now let's go to the pricing. Okay, so this one we have here. So if you want to create only one website, use the body balls to create only one website, then we are looking at paying $228 USD. Okay, if you want to create 5 websites and then it's the same amount, I'm surprised. Okay, so 5 websites too, you pay the same amount. But if you want to pay create 10 websites with the body balls, that is you pay 388. Okay, 88, and these are the features that you get. Okay, when you update. Okay, good, that's it. And then this one is for lances for 10 websites, lances for 5, and lances for 1 website. But I don't know the differences, why this and that. Okay, I don't know. But if you need a free one, you can also get the free one. Okay, but as I said, with the free one, you won't get access to a lot of information. Okay, let me see. I don't know even where to get it. Download the free one. Let me see. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me go down and check. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me click here and see, because try. Okay, try demo. Okay, it's not here. Okay, let me see. I think I saw something here. Okay, this is just features. Okay, so let's go up. So that's the price. I just want you to see the price. Not only that, we are also going to use tutor, and the tutor LMS LMS. Okay, and this one too is we have a free version and a paid version. So with a free version, so in here what I have here, when you complete a course here, you'll be awarded a certificate. Okay, let me see if this one I've added that. So let's see, let's go down and see. Okay, let me go up. Okay, so so if you want to award certificates to your student and so forth, then you can go with the paid one. And let's look at the paid one. So this link will take you to the free one. Okay, yeah, that's the free one. Let me show you. So this is the tutor LMS for creating. So this is the reason why I was able to add the course on the platform. Okay, and we are going to, so okay, let me come back here. So let's go and look at their pricing. I just want us to go to the official website. Okay, so then let me go here, and we are going to, okay, this is the official website. Let's check the pricing. Okay, let me go down. Okay, so what is the pricing? Okay, so let me go there. I just want to show you the price of the product here. I'm going to give all these to you for free. Okay, that is okay. Let's go to the pricing. Okay, so this is the pricing if you want to pay for annually. Okay, and this is the annually, and we are looking at let's see, that is unlimited lances. Okay, so lifetime. Okay, so lifetime meaning when you pay for this amount, that is one time, you'll be getting a update. Okay, until that kingdom come, that is, it will not expire. Okay, and we are looking at that is, wow, $1,899. Wow. Okay, for agency, and then we are, and this one for 50 website. Okay, 50 site lances. So with this you can create 50 website, and this one is $899, and that is 10 website, and one website is $499, almost $500. If you are to convert this amount in cedis, it's not small figure. Okay, it's not something that a beginner can pay for. Okay, and then we have free one. As I said, the free one, you can go for the free one, but you won't be able to send a push notification to your student, to your tutor. When someone enroll in a course, you won't get any notification. Student will not get any notification. So that's it. Okay, so that's the price for that. And what else are we going to? And then for what do you call it? The other one, that is Body Boss. Body Boss too, it has a theme, Body Boss theme. Okay, so let me show you. Let's go to their platform. We have Body Boss theme, and that is let's see. So that's it. Okay, so that's all. Okay, so I think, let me look at it once again. Okay, so good. So with this price, you get a Body Boss theme plus Body Boss Pro. Okay, it contains everything. And that is all you need to know under this video. So thank you for watching. Our next video, we will look at where to get the free premium plugin. That is where to get all these plugin. Okay, it's not actually for free. It's for free for some ways, but just wait and let's get to that video and you understand what I'm talking about. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.